Welcome back. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use components in Bannernow to quickly update multiple banners at once. In this banner set, we have 3 different sizes for a spring sale campaign that's valid until April 20th. What we're going to do now is update the spring sale to a summer sale. We'll change the date, the button text, and the button style. Let's click Edit on one of these banners. Here, you can see that the button and the valid until text are part of the same component. To edit the component, you can click Edit Component or simply double-click on it. Now we're inside the component. I'll update the text to valid until August 1st. Change the button label from Spring Sale to Summer Sale, and also update the button color and shadow to yellow. You can also modify the animation. As you move the playhead, you can see that the current stay animation is set to ta-da. Let's click on it and change it to rubber. Let's move the playhead again to preview the animation. Now, if we click Save Draft, the changes will only be visible in your dashboard. But if we click Save, all published banners using this component will be updated automatically. As you can see, the component has been updated. If we now close the banner, even without saving, it's not a problem, because the component changes were already saved, and all banners using that component have been updated. This works not just for one banner set, but for any banner in your workspace that uses the same component. You can also use components for other elements, like logos, disclaimers, buttons, or anything you might want to update across multiple banners in the future. If you prefer to edit components separately, just go to the Library section, open the Components tab, and you'll find all your components there. You can edit them directly from this page. And that's how you use components in Bannernow to update multiple banners at once across your campaigns. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.